how you can fix your Manscaped razor that is not turning on. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, let's check if the travel lock is on. This lock stops the razor from turning on by accident. To turn off the lock, press the power button 3 times quickly. You should see the light blink. That means the lock is off. Now, try turning it on. Next, make sure the razor is charged. Plug it in and look at the lights. If the light is blinking, it means it's charging. Wait until all the lights stay on. That means it's fully charged. Then, try turning it on again. If it still won't turn on, it might be dirty inside. Hair or dust can block it. Take off the blade and clean it using the little brush that came with it or a soft cloth. Also, check your charger and cable. Look for any damage. Try a different cable or adapter. You can also test the wall plug with another device to see if it works. If nothing works, you should contact Manscaped support. Go to their website or send them an email. They can help you or tell you about your warranty. And that's it. That's how you can fix your Manscaped razor that is not turning on.